Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I am going to explain Black Pro sale scam. Black Pro sale reviews is grabbing a lot of attention, especially in the United States. This is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of the question, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then do watch this video till the end and I will share the way to get your money back. Now let's proceed further and know that what is this website offering. As you can see, the products available over here are Black & Decker sanding sleeves, then Black Decker AMP reciprocating saw. Also the prices of these products are very much cost effective, which are you can say too good to be true. That is, this Black Decker is just for $50.85. Now let's move ahead with its payment mode. Its mode of payment given is PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Amex and variable mode of payments. Now let's check its shipping. So let's click on the shipping policy and find out. So they have mentioned that they deliver all the products for USA. Also, they have mentioned that they usually take 10 to 22 days. So friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Now the foremost checkpoint is its HTTPS and hence it has a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Now the age of Black Pro sale was checked on WHOIS and it was found that it is registered on 13 November 2020, which is a bit of the negative sign because this is a very recent website and obviously it might be having less of the traffic because of that. Now let's move on to the About Us page. On the About Us page, let's click on the About Us link and find out that what information is there. As you can see, they have mentioned about their journey that on earlier days they had a small Baltimore machine shop and how they started up with this website. Now, apart from their journey, there is no business owner name. As you can see, the pictures are opening and they have mentioned their recent pictures, but there is no business owner name. Now we will move ahead with the Contact Us page. If we click on the Contact Us page, they have mentioned their email ID blackprosale@outlook.com and address 199 SE 193 RD Ave, Portland, Oregon 97233 US. Now when this email was checked, it is not a verified email, which is a negative sign, and the address when pasted in the Google is not verified and there is no verified building provided in the Google map. Again, these 2 points are very much negative. Now let's check about its social media presence. So we'll just see that is there any social media presence. As this website is quite recent, it lacks any social media presence. Now let's check about its return and the refund policy. So when we click on the return and the refund policy, they have given a 30-day refund policy. So friends, if you have any experience or viewpoints regarding the return or the refund of the products, you can mention in the comment box. Now we will move ahead with the customer reviews. The customer reviews, if you find on the product of the website, there is no customer reviews on the website, and the customer reviews of this site was checked on other search engines, other web addresses, and it was found that it has nil customer reviews, which makes this website very much suspicious. Talking about the website content quality also, the product, like the used language is having spelling errors, and also plagiarized pictures are used, and the information is not full-fledged at all, and it is very recent website. So on the basis of all the checkpoints, I find that this website has more of negative checkpoints and I claim this as a scam. And also friends, do mention your viewpoints regarding this website in the comment box. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting friends. Please like this video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and be informed, be safe.